Hey, very quickly, this is the review for the caulking gun, standard caulking gun. Let's see, spring looks pretty good. The push rod is good. Let's see, it's made of a little rust-proof metallic here, so hopefully it won't rust and it'll stay in your hand, anti-skid proof. So let's check it out just quickly, make sure how it works. Looks like the push rod is working good. Sometimes they get messed up right away in the dollar store. Okay, let's check it out. This is pretty much 80-90% full. This silicone all weatherproof GE. Let's see. I don't want to actually take it out, but let's just see if it stops. Make sure it does work up to a certain point. Okay, should stop very soon. Yep, that's it, and there it is. So seems to be working pretty good, so we need another one, so hopefully this lasts more than 5 minutes. So that's about it. Bye.